Hey, it's DJ Spy Guy here. It's Wednesday. It is May the 6th. It's in the morning time in Vancouver, BC. It's like 9:13 in the morning. We're about to ride the bike to work. I think we should just go, right? Let's get this chat loaded up.
Stream online at Wednesday, May 6, 2026, 9 hours, 13 minutes, and 33 seconds a.m.
It's kind of gray. 13 degrees, only going to get up to about 17 today. Not too bad. Actually, this is okay for cycling. But I see a little breeze in those trees over there. Maybe that little bit of wind will push us into work. I really like that color of the Mazda there. The CX-5 is looks like a nice car. Let's go along here. This lumpy sidewalk. More cars coming my way. This one I can actually move to the side here. This is a Ford Mustang. What do you think of these Mustangs? I think they're gross. That's an electric one. The Mach-E. Guy at work has one of them. And when you open the door, it shines the Mustang logo onto the ground. Little light display. Hey, morning. Okay, don't say hi. Look at how long this truck is. Toyota Tacoma 4x4. And what are they doing? Going right? Or doing the cutting me off thing? Oh, they're parking there? Oh, they must be working on the house. I've got 5 students from the local college coming in today to work with me for like a half an hour. They're gonna try and voice a commercial. We'll see how that goes. I'll let you know all about it this afternoon. Looks like we're going all the way down to the lights today. Oh, that guy went right through the red light. We're gonna just follow this guy here. What is this, Mad Max? Where they blocked my road with a bus? Oh, what's going on here? Remember the Titans. They're doing speed dating or something. Here's my favorite hill. When there's no one in front of me, but they're putting on their brakes. Oh, this is a no brake hill, come on. This is a fun hill. This is the only fun part of my bike ride. There we go. It's going to be amazing when all that construction is complete. Will the light change for me? I am telling you, Light, change. Oh, it did right when I said change. Look at this little bike. What is that? Look at how tiny those wheels are.
Your left.
Thank you. It's got a cool jacket though. It's like some sort of transformer. What do we got? Unicycles today. We got everybody. I'm a dinosaur on this regular bike. We got big beefy e-bikes, got little tiny wheeled foldable ones, unicycles. Have I seen a scooter yet? I don't know. Don't think so. Oh, here comes one. As soon as I mention it. But now this is where I use my leg muscles. Hopping over. Something's coming to me on the left. What is this? Oh, it's a, was that a Super 73? Is that what they call them? From California? Oh, our light has changed. Got 10 seconds. Oh, they've got lights up ahead for the construction. Or, yeah. Oh, here we go. Gotta be careful though. Okay, so we're just gonna go, we're gonna thread the needle here. And there you go. no time to rest on this bike ride to work today. It's just go, go, go. Yeah, I'm turning left as well. Hopefully they go straight so we can go right here. Beautiful. Here, Science World. I think they're changing the Science World into a giant soccer ball for FIFA this week. Or maybe that was some fake news I saw. Oh, there's a goose on the path up ahead. Just sitting there. All right, bullseye. Hey, thanks for watching me on my bike ride to work. If you haven't already followed yet, hit that follow button on Twitch or over on YouTube. Hit subscribe and hit the like button if you liked it, or you can hit the dislike button too. I don't know why you do that, but you can do it if you want. I will be back this afternoon around 3:30 p.m. Vancouver time. And until the next one, have a great day. See you later.